Have you ever wondered about the benefits of using a pull-up bar? Today we're exploring the power of this simple yet mighty tool in your fitness journey. A pull-up bar, believe it or not, can be the key to unlocking a world of health benefits. From full-body workouts to improving posture and even boosting cardiovascular health, the pull-up bar is a versatile piece of equipment that has a lot to offer. So stay tuned as we dive into the various benefits of using a pull-up bar. Firstly, pull-up bars are not just for your arms, they can provide a full body workout. You might be surprised, but these humble bars have the power to engage a plethora of muscle groups in your body. It's not just about your biceps or triceps, it's a whole lot more. When you hoist yourself up, the pull-up bars engage your arms, yes, but they also engage your shoulders. This isn't just good for strength, it's great for flexibility too. Your shoulders become more robust, more resilient. They start to bear loads better, making you less prone to injuries in everyday life. Now let's talk about your back. The pull-up bars are a fantastic tool for working your back muscles. When you're pulling yourself up, your latissimus dorsi, the broadest muscle in your back, is hard at work. This muscle gives your back that coveted V shape, and it's also essential for activities like swimming and climbing. So, if you're an adventurer at heart, you'll find a friend in the pull-up bars. But the magic doesn't stop there. The pull-up bars also work your core. Yes, you heard it right, your core. When you're keeping your body stable during a pull-up, your core muscles are engaged. This can strengthen your abs and lower back, promoting better posture and reducing the risk of back pain. And let's not forget the grip strength you'll develop. Your hands, wrists and forearms get a great workout from gripping the bar. This can help you in other athletic pursuits like rock climbing or martial arts. It can even make everyday tasks like carrying groceries or opening jars easier. In essence, pull-up bars promote overall body strength. They don't just focus on isolated muscle groups, they engage multiple muscles at once, making your workout more efficient. You're not just building muscles, you're building functional strength, the kind of strength that benefits you in everyday life. So, the pull-up bar is a fantastic tool for a full-body workout. It's not just a piece of gym equipment, it's a versatile, full-body strength builder. And that's why we love it, and that's why we believe you'll love it too. Another advantage of the pull-up bar is its convenience and versatility. Now, let's dive into that a bit, shall we? Picture this, you're at home. Maybe you're in the midst of your daily routine, or perhaps it's late at night and you can't make it to the gym. No worries. Why? Because the pull-up bar is right there in your doorway, ready and waiting. It's like having a personal trainer in your home without the added expense. You can install it in almost any doorway, making it a piece of fitness equipment that fits seamlessly into your life. Convenience? Check. But that's just the start. We're not only talking pull-ups here. This compact piece of equipment is a veritable Swiss Army knife of fitness tools. Let's say you want to work your core. How about some knee tucks or leg raises? Just hang onto the bar, bring those knees up and feel your abs tighten. And it doesn't stop at your core. The pull-up bar is a full-body workout machine. Beyond pull-ups and chin-ups, you can perform a variety of exercises targeting different muscle groups. From hanging leg raises for your lower abs to around-the-world pull-ups for your lats and shoulders. And if you're feeling adventurous, why not try some windscreen wipers for a killer oblique workout? The pull-up bar is like a chameleon. It adapts to your workout, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned athlete. It's not picky. It doesn't care if it's your first day of working out, or if you're a veteran gym goer. It's there to help you get stronger, fitter, and healthier. So what else could you ask for? It's like having a whole gym tucked away in your doorway. It's always there, ready when you are, and it can help you achieve a wide range of fitness goals. So, a pull-up bar is not just versatile, it's also a convenient addition to any home gym. Did you know that using a pull-up bar can also boost your cardiovascular health? Quite fascinating, isn't it? Pull-ups, while often associated with building upper body strength, have an unsung benefit of promoting heart health. Let's delve into this now. When you perform a pull-up, your heart rate naturally increases. This happens because your body is working hard to lift your own weight, which requires a significant amount of energy. This energy is supplied by your heart pumping blood more vigorously around your body, leading to an uptick in your heart rate. This heightened activity for your heart is like giving it a good workout. And as with all muscles, the more you work it, the stronger it gets. But it doesn't stop there. Pull-ups also improve circulation. You see, the pulling motion engages multiple muscle groups, including your biceps, triceps, forearms, and shoulders. As these muscles contract and relax, they squeeze the blood vessels, pushing the blood back towards the heart. This process, known as venous return, is crucial for maintaining a healthy circulation system. The better your circulation, the more efficiently oxygen and nutrients can be delivered to your muscles and organs, leading to improved body function and overall health. Now let's talk about how this relates to cardiovascular health. Regular exercise, such as pull-ups, can reduce the risk of heart diseases. It lowers your blood pressure, reduces cholesterol levels, and helps maintain a healthy weight. This trifecta is key to preventing a host of heart-related ailments, including heart attacks and strokes. Additionally, by boosting your cardiovascular health, pull-ups can also enhance your endurance. You'll find that you can perform physical activities for longer periods without getting winded. This improved stamina can be a game changer, whether you're an athlete aiming for peak performance or just someone looking to keep up with life's daily demands. So the next time you grip that pull-up bar, remember, you're not just sculpting your muscles, you're also strengthening your heart. It's clear that the pull-up bar can have a huge impact on your heart health. Pull-up bars can also help improve your posture and prevent injuries. Allow me to explain how. A good posture isn't just about looking confident and attractive, it's also about maintaining the correct alignment of your body parts, supported by the right amount of muscle tension against gravity. Now, pull-ups, as a compound exercise, engage multiple muscle groups at once, especially those in the back and shoulders. Think of your back and shoulder muscles as the pillars that hold your body upright. When these muscles are weak, your body tends to slump, leading to a poor posture. But when you regularly perform pull-ups, you're essentially strengthening these pillars, allowing them to better support your body and maintain a good posture. Now let's talk about injury prevention. Strong muscles are less susceptible to injuries. This is because they are better equipped to withstand external forces, such as sudden movements or heavy lifting, that might otherwise result in strains or sprains. Imagine, for instance, you're lifting a heavy box. If your muscles are weak, you might strain your back or pull a muscle. But if your muscles are strong, they can effectively handle the weight, reducing the risk of injury. Pull-ups, therefore, don't just build muscle strength, they also enhance muscular endurance. This means your muscles can sustain physical effort for longer periods without getting fatigued or injured. This is particularly beneficial if you're into sports or physically demanding activities. Moreover, pull-ups promote better balance and coordination, which can further prevent injuries by improving your body's control and stability. So, you see, pull-up bars are not just about building those impressive biceps or achieving that V-shaped back. They're also about improving your posture, preventing injuries, and enhancing your overall quality of life. With a pull-up bar, you can say goodbye to slouched shoulders and hello to a healthier lifestyle. In summary, the pull-up bar is a powerful fitness tool with numerous benefits. It's not just a simple piece of equipment, it's a game changer in the world of fitness. Firstly, the pull-up bar offers a full body workout. Unlike other exercises that target specific muscles, using the pull-up bar works out your entire body, from your arms and shoulders to your core and legs. It's a one-stop shop for a comprehensive workout, helping you to build strength and endurance. Secondly, the pull-up bar is the epitome of convenience and versatility. You can install it at home, in your garage, or even take it to the park. With a pull-up bar, your workout can be as varied as you want it to be. You can do pull-ups, chin-ups, and a host of other exercises, all on one piece of equipment. Thirdly, the pull-up bar is a great tool for boosting cardiovascular health. Regularly using the pull-up bar can help to increase your heart rate, improving circulation, and promoting heart health. Fourthly, the pull-up bar can also help in improving posture and preventing injuries. Regular use of the pull-up bar can help to strengthen your back muscles, leading to better posture and reducing the risk of injuries. It's time to consider adding a pull-up bar to your fitness routine. Your body will thank you.